Watch this. Wait.
As in boring.
Watch this. This is me. La 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 la.
Just pretend she's not there.
Are you there?
Yeah, sorry. Forget them all. I'm gonna think of something else to do that's really cool and totally different. Because, I gotta be my unpredictable self. So Candace is out. Peace.
Peace.
You know what? That's so overused.
So what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
This feels awfully familiar. I tell you I'm going out. Later, you'll tell me Phineas and Ferb are up to something. But there's nothing there to see, so we all...
Sarah.
Just another
What?
ordinary.
Ordinary. Do I ordinarily do
What?
this?
Like I said, just another
Now what do
ordinary
you
day.
think?
Wait.
Corporate.
Hey, glitter.
Do I really do this?
Just another ordinary day.
Incorporated after hours. Ew, put on a shirt. Put on a shirt. Oh, you already had a shirt on. Oh, sorry.
TikTok.
I'm having some
Open the other one.
Eggos.
People do not say that.
You want an Eggo? Yeah.
No.
Well, probably the butter probably melted off of it.
Which means it is.
Is that butter?
Yeah.
I like it without butter.
But it's the core.
You had butter. You had butter on it before.
Yeah, no, but I meant to say like I normally like it without butter. Like, crazy, there's no butter.
Oh, huh.
Which in turn makes it
You
positive.
know? I got it.
Cold weather because it's been so hot.
Answer it.
Remember